Soon, starlight will scatter through the dark. So let's all look up at Stargazing Park. Hello, stargazers. Well, yesterday we discovered that even at night time, the sun is busy lighting up things like satellites and the moon. I wonder what we'll see lighting up the night sky tonight. All we have to do is look up.
When the night falls, Maggie helps us see wonders of the stars above us all. Turn the lights low, grab a cozy rug, wrap up warm and snug. Here we go. We're going stargazing. Gaze at stars shining bright. We're going stargazing. Spot a zooming satellite. We're going stargazing. Glimpse the moon and the planets above. We're going stargazing. So just look up, look up, look up.
Come and join us underneath the stars.
Hi, stargazers.
Hi, Maggie.
Welcome to Stargazing Park.
What can you see in the night sky? Can you see any stars, stargazers?
No. The stars aren't out yet.
Oh.
The stars are out. The stars are always out. But sometimes we can't see them because they're hidden behind the clouds.
The clouds are drifting very slowly. Are the clouds covering the stars where you are tonight?
Look, a star. There's one. It's gone again.
Keep looking. You might see another one as the clouds drift past.
There's one.
Well spotted.
Wispy clouds drifting slow, so the twinkling stars come and go. Who else is cloud gazing tonight? It's Sid.
Hello, Chris. Hello, stargazers. Well, there are no clouds here, so we're taking photographs of the sky. What can you see, Darcy?
Stars.
Yes, and what can you see, Israel?
And treetops.
Treetops. Is that worth taking a photograph, Akil?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Stargazers, snap! Wow, we've been taking some amazing photographs today. Join us later on, and we'll show them to you. See you then.
See you soon, Sid. Oh, it's really chilly tonight, isn't it?
Are you too cold?
I am too cold. Hold on, I've got an idea. We could each have one of these hand warmers. There you go, William. There's one for you, Lila. There's one for you, Lucy. And you, Luke. And Oliver. There we go. Oh, that's better.
My hands are too hot now.
Oh, I tell you what, put it in your pocket. Maggie, would you like one?
Oh, no thanks, Chris. My hands are just right.
Well, what's going on up there now, stargazers? Are you still cloud gazing?
Yes, I can see a cloud there. How did they get there?
Good point, Oliver. There are so many clouds up there. How did they get there, Maggie?
That's a very good question, Chris. Why don't we go inside and I'll show you? Come on. Clouds. What are clouds made of?
Water.
Every living thing needs water, doesn't it, Maggie?
It does. Now, this is the Earth. And it's covered in water. But we also need some land to cover the cities, the towns, the jungles, the mountains.
We could use this.
Thank you, Luke.
Now we need an atmosphere. An atmosphere are the gases that surround our planet.
Like the air in the sky.
That's right. That there, that's our atmosphere. but it looks very clear at the moment. To make it cloudy, we need something that's very, very important, but it's also very, very busy. It's our star.
The sun.
We could be the sun. I tell you what, if you put your hand warmers round the Earth. There we go.
Now what's happening to our atmosphere?
It looks cloudy.
What can you see that's making it cloudy?
The water.
That's right.
Little drops of water. And do droplets of water make up clouds, Maggie?
Yes. The sun heats up the water that's on the Earth, and it goes up into the atmosphere as water vapour. Then, when it gets to the cold air, it forms water droplets again. These gather together to make the clouds.
Wow, so clouds are thanks to the sun. Which means we can go cloud gazing. Let's see if we can spot some clouds through the window. More clouds. And there are more clouds up there. I wonder what's up there beyond the clouds. It's Liz Bonin.
I'm trying to spot a satellite. Early evening is a very good time to try and see them because even though we can't see the sun, sunlight is still reaching objects up in space. Satellites are very useful to us here on Earth. Some of them help us with communication. Some of them help us to know where we're going in our cars, and others help us to know what the weather's going to be like. Look at this picture taken by a satellite. You can see the clouds as they travel across the Earth. Water on the move.
Thank you, Liz. Well, I'm sure a weather satellite would see lots of clouds over Stargazing Park tonight.
Chris!
What's happened?
It's rain.
Look in there. Our clouds have turned to rain. Now there's water on the land.
Oh, yes, the water has moved from down here to up here, then in there.
All thanks to the sun. The sun keeps the water moving all the time.
What a busy sun. It keeps the planets in the solar system on the move, it keeps the Earth on the move, and it keeps the water on the move.
That's right. And planet Earth is in the perfect spot in the solar system to make the most of the sun's heat. If it were closer to the sun, it would be too hot, and all the water would rise up and disappear, and it would be a ball of rock like Mercury. If we were further from the sun, then we would be too cold on Earth. All the water would turn to ice, like on Mars. But where we are, the heat from the sun is just right. In fact, the Earth is in such a perfect spot in the solar system that some people say that it's in the Goldilocks zone.
Like Goldilocks' porridge, it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just right.
And you're just right, stargazers.
Well, I wonder how Sid and his stargazers got on earlier today. I wonder if they found the perfect spot to take some photographs.
This is great work, stargazers. We have found the perfect spot and we haven't even left the house yet. We are taking watery photographs and this window pane is full of raindrops, which is just right. So, stargazers...
Snap!
Fantastic. That's our first picture taken. Now, there's plenty of water outside, so shall we go and see what we can find?
Yeah!
Come on in.
Let's splash. Splash, splash, splash.
Your splashing is making the watery puddle go everywhere. Perfect for a picture. Stargazers, snap!
Look, there's water on the leaves.
Oh, yes, there is water on the leaves. What do you think? Should we take a photograph of it? OK, well, let's get the shot in focus. Let's have a look. Can you see that? Stargazer, snap! Should we find some more water?
Yeah!
Oh, look at that. OK, Akil, this time you can press the button. Stargazers, snap!
Those make patterns in the water.
They certainly do. Stargazers, snap! Oh, that was a good one.
Look, the trees are reflecting the water.
So they are. Should we take a photograph? Okay. Stargazers.
Snap! Hello, ducks.
Hello, ducks. Oh, look, they're making patterns in the water.
Should we take another picture?
Oh, that's a great idea. Okay, you press the button this time. Stargazer.
Snap!
Well, it's night time now. We've taken lots of great photographs and we've got time for just one more. Stargazers, snap!
Thank you, Sid. Thank you, water gazers. What wonderful watery pictures. Shall we show them off?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one. I like the ripples in this picture. But what do those ripples remind you of?
It looks like craters.
You are right there, Luke. Yes, these ripples could be craters on the moon. Here's another one with droplets of water. But what do these droplets of water remind you of now?
They look like twinkling stars.
Yes, Lila, twinkling stars in the night time. We're stargazing on a cloudy night. Maggie, you look like you're carrying clouds.
I've got blankets of clouds so we can get cosy for tonight's Starlight story.
I wonder whose story the stars are telling tonight. Starlight scattered through the dark, painting stories for us all. Gather underneath the stars and hear their wonders told. Looking up into the dark, the night is yours and it is mine. Looking up into the dark upon us all. Upon us all the stars will shine. Upon us all the stars will shine. Look up there.
Cygnus the swan.
Cygnus the swan wished to find the perfect place to nest. So off she soared along the Milky Way in search of a planet she loved the best. The first she tried was Neptune, far, far away from the sun. But the stormy planet was ever so chilly. Building a nest there would be ever so silly. So onwards she soared towards the sun. Perhaps Venus would be the one. But the brightest planet was hot, hot, hot. Should our swan build her nest there? She'd rather not. Then, way over there, she spied a dot. It wasn't too cold, and it wasn't too hot. The blue planet Earth, such a beautiful sight. Building her nest there would be just right. Come and join us for more stargazing tomorrow. Goodbye.